How's everyone doing? It's Sean the Cosmic Traveler. Today I'm in Delaware. I'm in Hunt's Park. I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna have POV on. You guys are gonna see exactly what I see as I see it. Hope everyone enjoys the video. So today I'm going to do a mostly silent video, but if you guys would like me to do a video to where I'm talking in the walk, just leave it in the comment section which one you would like better. But today I'm kind of going to mix it up a little bit, so it's going to be mostly silent, but you get the vibes out here. So it's like an RV, like storage place here, and I definitely plan on manifesting an RV, like one of those here. Honestly, I'll take any one, but an RV later in life would be awesome. Any of those. So this park that we're walking is 172 acres, this whole park. And it's put together of wetlands. You have some meadows here, and you also have like some uplands here as well. This is actually fairly new. This place wasn't always here. As of, I want to say a few years, maybe 5 years or something, they built this walkway for everyone. And it's very nice, it's convenient. It's pretty close to my house, and I love coming here because it's pretty quiet, as you can see. It's not too long of a walk. It goes straight down that way and loops around, and it goes out towards the water that way, which we're going to be doing both walks. But I'm going to just like cut through because I don't want to, you know, have the video super long. So I will just cut through and jump ahead. So if there's some spots missing, that is the reason why. And this is my first video, so I'm trying to get used to shooting on my GoPro. But so far, it's a nice day out. They're calling for rain, but I mean, the clouds look like it, but haven't seen any rain yet or nothing this morning. It's a little bit humid out here, enough to make you sweat. just coming out. But it's still a lovely day to go for a walk. And this is just one of many walks. I will be taking a lot more walks, and I want to eventually put together a channel and just do a lot of different adventures and just post everything that I do throughout like the day or throughout like my weekends, kind of like a vlog. That's my idea, is to make a vlog, just everything. So for this video, I'm going to take this left here. Down that way is a dead end, and there's like a meadow down there. If I have enough batteries, I will go down that way, but my GoPro is dying pretty fast, so I might not have enough batteries to get enough footage of it. But for now, we're going to go this way. This way is pretty scenic. I like it a lot, and it just loops back around to the first part when we first started this journey of this walk. I honestly wish I brought my camera, but I totally forgot it, and I didn't want to like carry too much with me. I already have my water bottle, I got my phone, keys, everything, so I didn't want to bring too much on this walk. But next time I will bring my camera and take pictures and post the pictures on the video as I take them. I think that would be pretty awesome for you guys to see. And this is part of the wetlands part. A lot of bugs here, a lot. Good thing for the wind, for keeping them off of me. When it rains, sometimes this here floods, like the water is up to the, I've been here and the water has been like up to this part here. But it hasn't been raining too much, so we are pretty lucky. So as we get closer on this area here, you might hear some highway noise. Let's take a little detour. I'm not sure if you can see the highway from here, but there is a highway up here. I actually haven't been over here in a while. This is actually not on the trail path. This is like off the trail path a little bit. So it seems like there's like a clearing, like people have been taking this a lot. There is the highway if you can see the cars. Very peaceful back here. Just wish people wouldn't throw so many bottles and trash through here. I think that was a nice quick little detour. Let's get back on the trail. I have walked in so many spider webs along the way to get here, but that's totally fine. Now we're back on the trail. And as we're walking this trail, I'm just taking everything in, the sounds of nature, just everything, being in the moment, being here. I just love it. And the sound of the highway. Unless you know how close we are to this highway here. So it's currently 82 degrees, but has a real feel of 88 degrees here. Our humidity today is 68%, which is, it's almost unbearable out here. But it is still enjoyable being out here. Just makes you sweat a little bit more, makes you work for it. But being that it is so hot out here, my GoPro is getting overheated. So, you know, there's gonna be clips of the trail. It's not gonna be like the full trail, the whole walk. So I'm gonna have to shorten it a little bit just so I can get all the footage of the other section as well. Next time, I'm just gonna bring some more batteries and hope for a cooler temperature since we're moving into fall here soon. And that should help out a lot. And I'm still new to this, so once I figure out, you know, the correct settings to run on and how to accurately use the GoPro, I'll get better and better with each video. Alright, so this is the second half of the trail. This loops and meets together. So we're gonna take the left today and we're gonna see what we find. It's like very peaceful out here. Very quiet. There was some people that I passed. I just didn't get them on video. I'm not comfortable and I don't want to like have my recording when I'm walking past someone unless it just so happens. But for now, I'm trying to be mindful of people walking by and their privacy. So there is some people here, but there's not a lot. There's still get that peaceful, quiet, serene place to be while you're walking out here. And I got my water with me because it is hot. Let's see if I can walk over here and see if you guys can see the water over here. Looks very beautiful. Let's see if I can get a shot with this on my phone. Let's do wide angle. There you go. Let's keep walking and see what else we can see down this way. Another area I might get some views from. Try to snag another picture. Let's go for a wide angle. And all of these pictures will be posted on my Threads account. I will put that link in the description for it, the video, if you want to see the pictures that I just took. I don't have my camera with me, but next time I definitely will have my Sony with me to get some great shots. Now we're coming up on a bridge, which is crossing this water that is to the left of me here, and there's some more water over the right. There's actually a little fishing spot not too far from here. I haven't had luck here, so the fish are in there. I did see them jumping, but I have not had luck fishing in these waters. But I will probably try to go again and get a video of that too. But so far, no luck. think I just found a new spot to sit and just relax and look at the water and take everything in. I think this is about to be my new spot here. I did not know this one was here. And I've been on this trail multiple times and somehow walked past this little area. All right, we just finished that loop. That way it takes us back to the bridge that we just came past, and this way takes us out of the park. Hi everyone, we just finished up Hunts Park. As you can see, I'm sweating, I'm drenched. I enjoyed the walk. It was a fun time. Even though the bugs were killing me, they were eating me alive, I still enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you on the next video.